Have you ever watched an intro to a video where someone is like not paying attention and they're doing something and then they go, "Oh, hi, I didn't see you there." Well, obviously you did. You turned the camera on. Cue the intro. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. It is episode 10, week 10 of the Traxxas TRX-4 Sport Kit budget build-off, and we are getting into the nitty-gritty. We're getting down to the wire. We've got 6 weeks remaining on this project, which actually that's a fair bit, so there's still a ton of stuff to happen, but there's a lot that's already happened with this truck and a lot more that's going to happen, and I'm really excited to share this week's episode with you, mostly because I know everyone is super excited about the giveaway. We're giving away that TRD body that I painted last week. Where is that thing? It's a good looking hat. Anyway, we are giving away that body today, and I've already randomly selected somebody from the 900 plus comments on the video. I am kind of blown away by the amount of responses I got. I had no idea it was going to be such a huge success. So thank you very much to all of you for watching, contributing, commenting below, and participating in the giveaway. It was amazing. Thank you. With that kind of response, obviously we're going to have to keep doing giveaways because that was incredible. I really am honestly quite chuffed in my Gulliver directly, and thank you. So out of all those 900 plus comments, I selected you, Ryan Thomas. You are the winner. I will respond to your comment, and I couldn't respond to everyone's comments because there were so many. Honestly, I'd still be doing it right now. There's no way I could have done it. So Ryan Thomas, I will respond to your comment. I will ask you to DM me on Instagram or some other way. We'll find a way to communicate, and I will get this body to you free of charge. Thank you so much for your participation, and thanks to everybody for the comments. It meant so much to me. Thank you. So what are we doing in week 10? Well, there are a couple of things we need to get accomplished. I have to start taping out this body because I got so many great comments about what I should do with it. I've got a really great idea. I think it's gonna look awesome. It's gonna require a lot of steps, so I haven't even started taping yet because there are some things I have to do prep-wise before I even get to that point. Notably, I have to make sure I get all the masks installed for the windows. I have to get the masks and actually some of the drilling done for some of the LEDs and for the light buckets and all of those things. So there's a lot of process that has to happen to this body before we get into paint. But it will happen very soon, I promise you, because next week is a DIY week, and what better way to celebrate DIY than with masking and taping and painting. I think that's a really great way to do it. So we're gonna leave that to next week. This week, we installed a Scalar Fab pre-runner style rear bumper for the TRX-4 specifically. This is a really great looking bumper. It's got a really cool spot for a license plate. It's all steel construction. It mounts super easy to the existing frame, and it looks awesome. I think it's gonna really complete the look of this truck. And I could not be happier with the fit and finish. Scalar Fab has been doing a lot of metal upgrades for trucks across all different brands, and the Traxxas TRX-4 is not a stranger to upgrades from Scalar Fab. You will find a lot of different things on their website, and I will make sure to put a link in the description below where you can pick up some of these things for yourself. Installation could not be easier. Remove all 4 screws that are currently holding on your rear bumper brace, if you still have that. I don't have that mount any longer. I've got the SBG Proline cage hinge mount installed, and it's the exact same process. Remove those 4 screws. I suggest loosely fitting the bumper on and then maneuvering it into place based on which body you're using. It works really well with the TRX-4 Sport Kit body. It also works well with this camper body. Tighten up those screws, put the D-rings on that you took off your plastic bumper, and you are essentially finished. That's all there is to it. I opted to go for just flat black paint. You can get a textured finish as well. It may hold up a little bit better to abuse, but I like seeing scratches on these things. So with that, I think it's time for a tally. I spent $55.45 on the Scalar Fab pre-runner style TRX-4 bumper. I have a remainder of $19.61 going into week 11. And considering week 11 is a DIY week, I think we can safely say that I won't be spending very much money. And that's it, a pretty light week again, but we are making progress and there will be some pretty cool things happening to this truck very shortly. I'm really looking forward to showing off that paint demo, and I'm gonna do my best to actually do a proper demonstration of how I do painting on these bodies. I think it's a good idea, and it's important to show you all the steps involved so you understand how much work can go into painting a body like this. Now that I've got a paint scheme selected and something in mind, what do you think the main body color is gonna be? Put your comment down below. I love to read your feedback, and you know I try to answer every single comment. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.